Ginulantang ng China, mga tol, ang buong mundo dito sa kanilang panibagong super weapon. No? Ipinakita ngayon nila sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ng kanilang bagong imbento. Ito yung tinatawag nilang China's drone mothership. No, set for first mission. Anong klaseng mothership to, mga tol? Di ba nakita na tayo mga drone? Ito isang malaking eroplano na magpapakawala ng sandamakmak na drone. Parang naaalala ko rito, alam niyo yung sa Voltes 5, di ba yung Skull spaceship nila? Tapos biglang naglalabasan doon yung mga maliliit na spaceship ng mga alien. Ito parang ganun, mga tol, yung itong ginagawa ng China ngayon. So eto, panoorin natin to, mga kapatid. At bigyan natin ng reaction video. Gaano kaya ngayon ito magiging malakas? Ito ba'y maaano na nila, no? Malalagpasan na nila yung kakayanan ng Amerika at katatakutan na sila, mga tol, ng buong mundo dahil dito sa panibagong panibagong weapon na inilabas nila, mga tol. Sabi rito sa report mula rito sa First Post, yan, no, China is all set to deploy a massive drone mothership, no, that can fire up to 100 suicide drones at once. Diba? Papakawala ng 100 drones. The ship called Jutian, no, was unveiled at an air show last year. What sort of weapons does this mothership have? O kung anong klaseng sandata meron yun. Is it a lethal weapon or a sitting duck for missile? Sabing ganun. Mga kapatid, alamin na lamang natin to sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay natin ng reaksyon, komentaryo, opinion, kritisismo at kung ano-ano pa. Bago yan, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka whenever na may mga bago tayong reaction video tulad nito. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, panoorin na natin to, mga tol. Drone mothership. Ito. Capable of firing mo. Ayan, no? Magre-release ng napakaraming drone. Kaya alam naman natin ngayon, mga tol, di ba? Sa mga nagkakaroon ng mga labanan ngayon, talagang drone na ginagamit. Hindi na yung katulad nung dating eroplano, di ba? Kasi mahal masyado yun eh. Ito yung drone, mura lang yan eh. Kayang-kayang budgetan ng mga bansa yan eh. China helped crack against India. China's military plans. Kung ang gagamitin ng China to sa mga hinaharap nilang laban.
China has unveiled a new weapon. It's a drone. It's a large plane. It's also a carrier. Chinese media is calling it a drone mothership. It's hard to describe in words, so take a look at this animated video first.
Ito, dilabas nila. Yan, no, yung isang malaking eroplano lumalabas sa mga drone. Kaya naaalala ko sa kanya ngayon sa Voltes 5. Diba? Diba yung nila, yung malaking spaceship nila, tapos maglalabasan doon yung mga maliliit na spaceship na mga bilog-bilog. Mothership, ganun din sa mga alien sa ba yon? Independence Day, kung napanood nyo yun, diba may malaking spaceship doon, tapos doon naglalabasan yung mga maliliit na sasakyan ng mga alien. Ito parang ganun ang datingan. Kaso dito mga drone.
That's the drone mothership. Its name is Jutian.
Jutian.
Which means sky high. It was unveiled at a Chinese air show last year, and now it is almost ready for deployment. The ship will be tested in the coming days. If successful, if the tests are successful, it will be commissioned by the Chinese army. Reports say its first mission could be in June, next month. Now, I know that that video looked very impressive, even scary. But how capable is this drone mothership? What sort of weapons does it have?
Yun ang tanong.
And what will it be used for? Let me show you the specs first. This ship has a wingspan of 25 meters.
Ooh,
now, to put this in perspective, most fighter jets have between 10 and 13 meters of wingspan. 10 to 13 meters.
Doble laki.
This one has 25 meters, so this mothership is double the size. It can carry up to 6 tons of bombs and drones.
So bukod dun sa drone, may mga dala-dala rin mga missile.
The maximum range is 7,000 kilometers and the maximum altitude is up to 15,000 meters, meaning it can fly over most medium-range air defenses. Of course, the highlight is the drone system. The ship's belly opens up on both sides, and once open, it releases a swarm of drones into the air, around 100 drones simultaneously. And this is clearly the USP. Other countries also have drones of similar size, like the American Global Hawk and the MQ-9 Reaper. But the Global Hawk cannot strike targets, and the Reaper has less firepower. So in that sense, this Chinese mothership is unique. Beyond the drones, it also appears to be fitted with missiles, both air-to-air and anti-ship missiles.
Oh.
Which brings us to the most important question. What will it be used for?
Siyempre, para sa gera yan, di ba? Ba't naman sila gagawa ng ganyan? Di ba? Para sa gera yan. Kasi nga mga tola, kung mapapansin ninyo at kung nanonood kayo ng mga balita, iba't ibang mga higanting bansa na ngayon talaga ang todo naghahanda na. Eto, sa susunod, bibigyan natin ng reaction to. Si Trump, mga kapatid, naglaan siya ng napakalaking halaga para doon sa tinatawag nilang Golden Dome. Ano yung Golden Dome? Kumbaga parang yung buong Amerika gagawa nila ng missile shield, no? Para sa mga nuclear, para sa mga missile na manggagaling sa kalaban. Kumbaga inuuna na nila mga tol yung proteksyon ng kanilang bansa. Bakit nila ginagawa yon mga tol? Kasi alam nila kung ano yung paparating sa hinaharap. 'Di ba? Magpapagawa na ngayon si Trump nung isang malaking dome, Golden Dome ang tawag nila yun. Bibigyan natin yan mga tol ng reaction video. Ngayon, eto, nakikita nyo. Naglabas ng ganito ang China. So saan pa nga ba nila gagamitin yan, di ba?
Mainly to take out air defenses. You fly this mothership close to enemy airspace, you unleash the drones target the air defenses, and mission accomplished. Or so the Chinese are hoping. They hope this is how it will happen, but some experts are not so convinced. They say advanced air defenses will make short work of this mothership, especially because of its size and weight. Plus, the design is intended to carry drone swarm, so it is not as stealthy as a fighter jet or a bomber.
Tama.
In fact, one US expert has called it a missile magnet.
A missile magnet. So nakikita na agad ng mga expert kung ano yung kahinaan nitong weapon na to ng China. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi ganoon kabilis umandar to. So sabi ang missile magnet, titirahin lang nila to bago magpakawala ng drone, wala na agad to, 'di ba?
We would say don't go by the pictures or the Chinese claims. The real test is combat for any weapon.
Tama.
Only a few Chinese weapons have seen actual fighting. And that was this month against India. Pakistan gets around 80% of its weapons from China. They used most of them against India, like the J-10 and the JF-17 fighter jets, the HQ-9 air defenses, the PL-15 missiles. This is what the Pakistanis used. And what was the result? Not impressive at all. Indian missiles punched through the Chinese air defenses. They struck 11 military installations in Pakistan, radars, runways, command centers. All sorts of targets were hit.
Yun lang.
India said it had bypassed and jammed the Chinese systems. Same with their missiles and jets. One PL-15 missile landed in Punjab's Hoshiarpur, that too fully intact, unexploded. Either this missile failed to detonate after firing, or it was neutralized by India. Either way, it is not a good look for China.
Sabi nga, di ba, masasubukan mo lang talaga to sa actual combat. Well, itetest muna kasi to ng China at kapag nagtagumpay yung testing nila, saka ngayon to i-commission ng kanilang PLA, no, ng kanilang military. Pero sabi rito, sabi ng reporter, nasusukat lang talaga ang kakayanan ng isang weapon, hindi lang basta-basta sa test. Diba? Kundi sa mga aktwal na laban.
It turns out Beijing's involvement goes beyond weapons. An Indian think tank says China gave satellite support to Pakistan. The details are a bit fuzzy, but here's what we know. China helped Pakistan reorganize its radars and air defenses. The goal was to help them detect India's deployments, both soldiers and weapons. for the Pakistanis to detect Indian soldiers and weapons and their deployments. China also helped Pakistan adjust its satellites.
Talagang tinutulungan ng China.
Now we know Pakistan has 5 satellites in orbit. All 5 were launched by China. After the Pahalgam attack, they helped Pakistan adjust these satellites. Again, the goal was to track Indian moves. Of course, no side has officially confirmed any of this. Not India, not Pakistan, certainly not China. But if true, this is worrying. It shows the extent of China's active support to Pakistan against India.
Biruin mo kung titignan mo mga tol, magkasama tong India at saka sa China dun sa BRICS. Pero talagang makikita mo hindi ganung katiba yung BRICS alliance na yun, no? Kasi dito nakikita mo talaga na indirectly mga kapatid, parang China na rin yung naikipaggera dito sa India. Kasi kung Pakistan lang at saka versus India, kayang-kaya ng India ang Pakistan. Kasi lahat ng sandata ng Pakistan, mga tol, galing sa China. Tapos sabi rito, lahat tinutulungan sila ng China sa pag-aayos ng satellite, diba? Sa lahat tinutulungan sila ng China. So sa madaling salita, mga tol, alisin mo yung Pakistan, China na yung mismong direktang kalaban ng India rito, di ba? Mula sa mga technology, sa mga kagamitan, sundalo lang ang iba
A lot of experts say that China is using Pakistan as a proxy. They can test out their weapons in combat through Pakistan.
So proxy na sila ngayon.
They can also keep India busy on the western frontier. One wouldn't put it past China. The question is, how should India respond? Well, first of all, it's important to call out Chinese meddling. This conflict was between India and Pakistan. If China actively helped a terror sponsor, the world should know about it. Secondly, we must be vigilant. Whether it's upgrading our defense capability or keeping track of Chinese weapons. This latest drone mothership is no different. It may or may not be a paper tiger, but what's important is for India to keep track.
So ngayon dito, minomonitor ng India etong galaw ng China kasi ang magkalaban lang talaga is India at saka yung terror ng Pakistan. Pero dahil sa tinutulungan ng China ang Pakistan at wala naman sariling armas ang Pakistan, mga tol, lahat nang gagaling sa China yan. Nakamonitor ngayon sa kanila ang India. At tulad nga na lamang nito na panibagong drone mothership na inilabas ng China, mga tol. Ito'y minomonitor din ng India dahil iniisip nila, mga tol, baka gamitin din laban sa kanila, di ba? So ngayon, sa tingin nyo ba makapangyarihan o malakas itong bagong drone mothership ng China? O sabi rito sa balita, ito'y parang missile magnet. No? Kasi pag kita nila to lumilipad, mga tol, hindi pa man pinapakawalan yung drone, pwede na nilang tirahin agad. Lalo na meron silang BrahMos na sobrang bilis, di ba? Supersonic missile yon. Di damay-damay na pati yung mga drone na karga niyan, di ba? Anyway, bilang mga tao sa mundong to, ano masasabi mo dyan? Comment ka na lamang sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.